Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about the better use of vitamins that I think is a better way of using them, or that is the right scenario to follow. First, I would like to tell you that as our body requires a lot of calcium, vitamins, supplements, and other different things, birds and animals also do require these kind of things, and we need to provide them. The best source, I would say, or I would suggest, is the natural sources for these things. But sometimes we are forced due to overbreeding, excess breeding, or multiple breedings, or multiple clutches, uh, more number of chicks, that we need to use artificial means. So if you are using any kind of artificial mean, I would first recommend you that please use only those means which are verified or certified and you know about it. The second thing is that please get the dosage calculated from the concerned person or the persons who can do it, because in birds, animals, the dosage is calculated according to their weight. If you will use it, overuse it, then it is going to damage, and if you are going to use it at a lower value, then it can not provide that kind of benefits that you want your bird to get from it. So we need to figure out, they not that may not be 100% accurate, but that would be at least better than, rather than you yourself going without any kind of knowledge, or asking someone who doesn't have this kind of knowledge to calculate these kind of things. So most of the people around the globe are using these things in water, and they are giving their birds to water. I would recommend you to please do not use it on a kind of daily basis, or kind of 4 to 5 days in a week, because the bird needs water not only for hydration, but water also provides a lot of valuable things, so you need to focus on it. So the thing I would suggest, the I would say, is the first, you need to use the natural sources. But if we are using unnatural sources, then the first preference that I would say is that you need to use these things once in a clutch. I would say if it is start of first clutch, then before the start of first clutch, that can be on week, for a week, or that can be for 2 weeks. But you need to check out that how much you want to give it to your birds. And if suppose it is between two clutches, the end of first clutch and start of second clutch, or end of third clutch and start of end of second clutch and start of third clutch, the time duration between them, then you can use at that time for a week, and it would be good for birds. But if you think that it is a lesser number, then you can opt for monthly basis. You can use monthly, thrice a month, because you cannot provide all these things at once, so at least 2 to 3 days would be taken in this kind of things. Or if you think that it is still lesser for your birds, then you can go for I would say after 15 or 14 days, and that will provide your birds with whatever you want to provide them. And if somebody thinks that it is still very low, maybe a lot of people, especially in foreign countries, may not like it, because but in developing countries, a lot of people are using on almost daily basis, and that I do not recommend at all, because I will maximum recommend you to use it once a week. Because if you are using it almost all of the week, then you are not giving your bird the pure water, because the pure water provides a lot of other essential things, and it also helps to hydrate the body. But when you put the medicine or any kind of supplements or these calcium or vitamins in it, that is not the pure water. And some minerals, or that can come in less number due to chemical reaction, or go in higher number, that can damage bird or animals. So we need to provide the fresh water, and fresh water plays a very important role in it. So this is, and moreover, if somebody doesn't have a setup in which it is getting his or her birds are getting, or animals are getting sunlight, direct exposure of sunlight, or very high sparkle of sunlight, so then it means that he need to provide his birds and animals with vitamin D or D3, because it is very essential for your birds and animals. So please do provide it either through water soluble things, or through things that can be poured on soft food, so your bird can have it, because it is very essential for them. Furthermore, I would suggest you, if you are using things that are water soluble, because most of the people are using what things that are water soluble, but I think the things that can be poured on your soft food and are from verified sources are far better than using it in water. Because if your water get contaminated, then that medicine can be, or that thing that you formula or that mixture can get contaminated, that can be very very extremely dangerous for your birds and animals. So you need to keep a very close eye. So it's better to pour it on, or put the if it is in powder form and can be, if it is in a powder form and can be poured on the soft food, so then only use it in the soft food. If it is not allowed to do so, then do not try such things, because that can also be dangerous, because soft food is mostly consumed very quickly and isn't left with a lot of leftovers. So that doesn't becomes that much harmful, and moreover your birds and animals do get it whatever you want to give them in better quantity, rather than you are giving it in water, because it causes a lot of water and medicine wastage too. So this was today's video. Inshallah we will see you next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.